Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CVRS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk about some levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay here up above $2.67. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.67, I am not saying that that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay up above that level, that would certainly be a massive sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here around $2.50. So near term, $2.67 and $2.50. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from the bigger picture. So this certainly assumes that you have a broader time horizon on things, but that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 267, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, nothing fancy, nothing complicated behind this other than the fact of the party finally stopped today at $2.97. We'll just call it $3. So going into Thursday, $3 is public enemy number one. All in all, though, resistance levels matter, but they don't necessarily matter right now because top priority right now is the price has made a great move. So not just a question of can the price go through a health consolidation, can it start to chip away and build higher bases, because as long as higher bases begin to be built over extended periods of time, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, and we'll see how this thing continues to play out. But yeah, no doubt about it, very, very powerful move today. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.